With the BLP 7878K thread repair kit, you'll get a thread insert tap, an installation tool, and 12 inserts. A few of the tools you'll need to install the thread insert are a 15/64 drill bit, a chamfer tool, a tap handle, and I have a bigger tap handle because this has a bigger end on it, so have that at ready. And also you'll need a flat piece of stock of some sort to set the body on, make it level. Okay, you want to take your 15/64 drill bit, chuck it up, set the table where you need it, turn on the drill press. You want to hold the body tight because it's going to want to try and jerk it a little bit, but drill down until you feel it stop. Okay, take the drill bit out, put in the chamfer tool. You always want to use a chamfer tool because when you tap the threads, it's going to want to bring up some of the material out, and this will make it stay flush. Just put a little chamfer on it. Okay, grab your insert tap, install it into the chuck. And here's an easy way to make sure that the tap is going to be straight. Set it down in there, start the thread a little bit, and crank it down a few threads, then pull it back out. That way it'll follow the drill bit that you just did. Take the tap out of the chuck, put it back in the threads, take your larger tap handle, just crank it down until it stops. You want to every once in a while back it off, get the chips out. Okay, once you've hit bottom, take the tap out. Blow out anything that might be in there. Okay, get your insert. The end of this tool has a little notch on it that the insert tab fits into. You'll screw that in there. Make sure that it seats. Then you'll get your tap handle. I use a different one for this. Okay, nice and snug. Set the insert on there. Screw it in until you see that it's flush with the top. And what I usually do is where I see the tab, I go about a half turn more just to make sure it's down below. That way, in case you want to fly cut it or something at a later date, it won't be sticking up too far. Okay. Once that's in, make sure everything's flush. You got a good Alright, the next step is to remove the tab in the bottom. So take your little punch, stick it down in the hole, just give it a little whack like that. Sometimes the piece will be stuck down in the bottom, so just take a little pick of some sort and pop it around, blow the piece out, and that's it, you're done.